Alright guys, back on the Van 62 T-Bird. Getting ready to put new axle seal, the flange seal. You can tell whoever had this before, whatever the deal is, they tried a silicone. I've been cleaning some of the silicone off. Try to stop leaking. Hey, that's kind of cool. Can we see the other side? Hey, we can. So yeah, getting ready to new axle seal, flange seal. Set the, let's see if we can get that. The axle shafts over, got new bearings. There's one there, the other one's coming pretty soon here. Got the drive shaft out, or unbolted right now. We found the rear end seal, so we'll be doing that today. Found the shocks. Boss man somewhere over there put him in the wrong spot. We don't, wherever he's at. So yeah, I'm getting ready to do all that. One of the new leaf springs, shackles, bushing is in over there. So yeah, we're moving along here little by little bit. And we'll get you guys an update here in a few moments here. All right, see ya.
Mr. Burns,
What's up, buddy?
what are you working on? Oh, you got the third member out.
Yep. Sitting here draining the rest away.
Ugh.
But look at this nasty. Nasty. Oh, you stuck your phone almost right in there.
I know.
Oh, yeah, let's watch this.
Oh, that's not good. I have a feeling that oil may have been in there since it was new,
Almost?
at
It's
least.
gotta be close.
The 56, you know, John's
Yeah.
56, the oil they drained out of that diff was the oil it came with.
Really?
Yeah, it was.
So it's probably a little bit.
You think this was like molasses? Oh no, it was like in the summertime I drained it, and it was dripping slower.
That's
than this.
gnarly.
It was nasty.
Yeah, so I mean, I'll get the rest of that out of there. Get it all wiped up and clean, but right now I'm just trying to get the surface, maiden surface on
Yep, you get that clean. Got to clean this up.
the. Yep.
Get
What's
it
right
ready.
about my
Look
screw?
at, there's gasket material all up in there.
Yeah, you know, shush.
And the trick on these two, and this is what Ron told me. Go Ron.
Ron,
Ron's our hands.
oh man. Rest
That's
in
just
peace.
so. Always put silicone on these three when you put the nuts on,
Really?
because it'll seep through those because the oil.
Oh,
levels
because it
will
always
do that.
sits right there. Okay,
Yeah.
well that's cool to know.
Yep.
Learned something new today.
And Ron said to do it, so if somebody argues me, well, they can fuck off because
He's not around anymore.
And what
He
Ron
was
says to
smart-
do?
Smart guy.
he was the rear end guy. When you
He said rear end guy.
you know, well, Richard Hooper said the same thing too. So those two both were the
Oh,
rear end
yeah.
gurus. So when they both tell you to do it, you really better listen.
Yeah, you better. Yep.
So all right,
So actually, we're thinking about putting these in the.
got all 10.
Yeah.
You want me to put Van's nuts in the parts washer?
Yeah, dude, because it'll be nice and clean.
At least something will be clean. I'm gonna go wash Van's nuts.
Kinky.
Well, you wash his member.
Okay.
You're gonna wash his member, and I'm gonna wash his nuts.
I don't know which one's worse, but okay. Got this.
You got 9 inches. I just got nuts.